guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make crockpot lasagna, and for this recipe you're going to need chopped spinach, parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, bowtie pasta, tomato sauce, stewed tomatoes, a clove of garlic that's minced, 1 onion chopped, and salt. And I didn't have any Italian seasoning, so I just went ahead and made my own. So that's oregano, basil, garlic powder, some sugar, and black pepper. And you also need 1.5 pounds of ground meat. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and brown that up. And you want to add your onion and your garlic to it while you're cooking it. And then you're going to go ahead and put that, once it's done, put it in the crock pot. Go ahead and add your stewed tomatoes. Then go ahead and add your tomato sauce. I will have this recipe down below in the description area with the complete ingredient list. And here I'm just breaking up the tomato a little bit. It'll break down when it cooks, but I like to give it a little head start. Go ahead and mix up your seasoning if you're not using Italian seasoning, and just sprinkle it in. Make sure it's mixed well, and then go ahead and put the lid on and cook it on low for at least 4 hours. When it's the last half hour of cooking, that's when you want to go ahead and add the last 4 ingredients. I also added an extra can of tomato sauce, just an 8-ounce can, a small one, just to give it a little bit more liquid in there. Now you're going to add your chopped spinach, but make sure that you drain off any excess water from it first. Now add your bowtie pasta, and I did not use the full 16-ounce box. I just went ahead and estimated what I would need and just stirred it in as I went. You can kind of tell what's too much and what's not enough. If you have any cooked pasta that's left over, you can save it and make your own side dish with it. Now add in your Parmesan cheese, and then you're going to add in the mozzarella cheese, and you want to make sure it's mixed really, really well. Now the last thing you're going to do is cover it and put it on high for a half an hour. And about 5 to 10 minutes before it was done, I went ahead and added 1/2 cup of the mozzarella and just covered it and let it finish cooking. I hope this will be a recipe that you'll enjoy making for your family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank y'all again for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thanks again.